Hey everybody, Tim Coates here, and I want to talk about our brand new release, Ceramic Refresh version 2.0, and how you can apply this product. Now this would be a very short video because it does not get any easier than this. Whether you're applying it to your ceramic coating as a maintenance topper or a standalone protection, it's going to be as simple as 1, spray on, and 2, lightly wipe off. And you're going to notice right away, you're going to get instant shine and slickness and hydrophobicity that matches a ceramic coating. Now this can be used on any wet or dry surface, so yes, this can be used as a drying aid if you're looking to simplify your car wash process. And this can be topped and layered many times, so if you want to use this every car wash, that's perfectly fine. It could be used in the sun, in the shade, in the dry, in the wet, in the hot, and the cold. It's extremely versatile, and you'll find that there's almost no streaking at all. Incredible slickness. This will be pretty much unmatched, as well as the application that leaves you wanting to use this product every single time you wash your car. So there you have it, guys. Super easy to use. Spray on, wipe off with a high quality microfiber towel and enjoy the shine, the slickness, and the protection that does not get any easier than Ceramic Refresh version 2.0. So stay tuned for many new videos and product releases in the near future, and I'll see you guys in the next one.